Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about how to create a stone stack in Maya 2018. The first thing obviously you need to do is open up Maya. So after opening Maya, we can use any of the polygon primitives like the sphere or the cube. I'm choosing a sphere here to create the rock. Let me just delete this. I'm going to take the cube. So we can create using the cube or the sphere. The basic idea here is not to use the polygon primitive tools. So we are going to use a shortcut or easier way to do this. Here at the bottom corner you can see the MEL, which stands for Maya Embedded Language. It's a script in Maya, Autodesk Maya, that's there to simplify things. So we can generate stone or rocks using this script here. We have to simply type in rock gen and hit enter, and the menu pops up here on the screen. If you cannot find the MEL script on your Maya, you can simply download it from the link that I put in the description. Go to your download folder and open it and just copy it to the C folder, program files, and open up Autodesk. Go to the script folder and paste it there. I've already pasted it, so I'm just leaving it there. If you go back to Maya and type in rockgen and hit enter, this menu will pop up and it will run. It's just gonna play around with the settings a bit and set it to high res and hit generate, and that generates some stones for us. Let's just keep the distribution radius at 20. When we set it to 20, the stones are scattered further apart. Let's just discard it and bring it back to 5 or 6, around 6. That's pretty cool. That's what we want. So you can play with the settings accordingly. Let's just close this window and we're good to go. We can do here is just move some stones here and there. We got to choose a stone for our base. So if you hit W on the keyboard, it will it's a shortcut for the move tool actually. So you select an object and hit W and you can move things around. And if you click one object and shift click, you can select multiple objects and you can move around easily. There are different view modes in Maya which you can access from the menu bar. There's the perspective view, and there's the top view, the front view, and the side view also. So you can switch between these views accordingly as you need. Here are the views. If I want to access any of the, let's suppose I want to say the side view. So I'll bring my cursor over to the side view and hit spacebar on the keyboard, which will take me to the side view. I'm seeing all my elements or all the objects from the side view here. Basically, you can switch between different views by just hitting space on the keyboard, the space key. We have to just keep our cursor in that viewport and hit space so we can access that. We're gonna hit space back again and go to the perspective view. What we're gonna do is basically we gonna choose a stone for our base and move it to the center of the workspace. We are just at the center. If I want it to be at the exact center, I can go to the top view so I can have a better view if it's in the center or not. In the perspective mode we can see it's not in the center, so we go to the top view and just bring it to the center. That's good. If we hit E on the keyboard, we can access the rotate tool. Yeah, E is the shortcut for rotate in Maya. I'll just rotate it and move a bit to the center, and this looks good. This way we can select any of the stones and then move them around, starting to build a stack. Rotate it and place it there. That's pretty much it. That looks good to me. That's it for today, guys. Hope to see you in the next video where we're gonna talk about texture and light. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel here, and don't forget to like and share.